Join me as I take on the challenge of launching my very own dropshipping business from scratch, and I'll show you every single step along the way. In this video, you will learn the step-by-step process of starting a dropshipping business designed specifically for beginners looking to break into e-commerce. Many aspiring entrepreneurs struggle with where to begin in dropshipping, facing confusion over product selection, supplier reliability, and marketing strategies. This confusion often stems from a lack of understanding of the entire process, making it difficult to know where to start. Without a clear plan, it's easy to get overwhelmed and give up before even taking the first step. Unfortunately, this fear of the unknown holds many people back from pursuing their dreams of becoming a successful online entrepreneur. So, let's take a deep breath and dive into the world of dropshipping together. One major misconception about dropshipping is that it's a get-rich-quick scheme, but the truth is, it requires dedication, hard work, and a willingness to learn. There's a lot more to it than just slapping a product on a website and calling it a day. To truly succeed, you need to be able to adapt to changes in the market, optimize your strategies, and continuously improve your business model. You will explore essential topics such as choosing the right niche, finding trustworthy suppliers, setting up your online store, and implementing effective marketing techniques to drive sales. From understanding your target audience to creating a profitable sales funnel, we'll cover it all. Choosing the right niche is often the most crucial step in the entire process. It's the foundation upon which your entire business is built, and it's essential to get it right. You'll learn how to identify profitable niches, conduct market research, and validate your product ideas. Finding trustworthy suppliers is another critical aspect of dropshipping. You'll discover how to research and vet potential suppliers, negotiate prices, and build strong relationships that benefit your business. Setting up your online store is where the magic happens. You'll learn how to choose the right e-commerce platform, design a conversion-optimized store, and create a seamless customer experience. The key insight to take away is that the success of your dropshipping business hinges on your ability to adapt and refine your strategies based on market trends and customer feedback. The market is constantly changing, and if you're not willing to adapt, you'll get left behind. By continuously monitoring your analytics, gathering customer feedback, and staying up to date with the latest trends, you'll be able to refine your strategies and stay ahead of the competition. To refine your strategies, you need to be able to analyze data, identify areas for improvement, and make data-driven decisions. The key to success lies in your ability to stay flexible and adapt to changes in the market. To sum it up, starting a dropshipping business involves careful planning, research, and a willingness to learn from your experiences as you grow. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out my other videos on e-commerce strategies, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below.